Welcome back to Ubalde Official. Today I'm going to show you how to download VirtualBox and to install it for preparation to create a virtual machine. Virtual machine means that it is come from virtualization. Virtualization is a process of to create multiple virtual machines into one single physical machine, or could be Windows host, Mac OS or Intel host, Mac OS or Apple Silicon host, Linux distribution, Solaris host, and many other operating systems. So I'm going ready to start, but before, make sure you like this video and share it after watching this video, and remember to subscribe if this is the first time on this channel, and then stay connected with us. Let's start. As you see, you need your browsers. Let me use Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. For those who use Mac OS, you use your Safari. So let me use Google Chrome, and then come here in your search box, type VirtualBox, like this, then press enter. Then after, come here on this website and then press OK, open it, and then come this above, that's menu, and then click on download. After click on download, you will get the virtual platform packages. These are if you have Windows, for those who are using a Windows like me, you click here. For those who are using Mac OS, Linux distributions, Solaris host, Solaris 11, IPS host, and many others. So me, I'm using a Windows, Microsoft Windows. I'm clicking here, then after I get the pop-up. Yes, this is a pop-up to save. Then choose, for example, desktop or download or what and what. Then click on save. After click on save, you wait here until the end. And already I downloaded already. Then this one have downloaded here. Yes, this is how done to be downloaded. You see, this is a VirtualBox installer company. It is a Oracle, and its affiliate file version is a 7.1.10.9 even. And so, and then I'm going to install it. Download has been finished. I'm going to install it. Yes. So you right click here, right click on your setup, and then you come on the run as administrator. Yes, run as administrator, and then you press OK. We wait. Yes, here you see there is they ask you that, they tell you that welcome to the Oracle VirtualBox 7.1.10 setup wizard. The setup wizard will install Oracle VirtualBox 7.1.10 on your computer. Click next to continue or cancel to exit the setup wizard. We click next, and here nothing you can do. You can read this agreement, but for time you click on accept the terms in the license agreement, and then click on next. After click on next, here this is the features are going to be installed. Yes, and this is a location where VirtualBox is going to be installed. You should also change it if you want it. You should set on the record disk D should come here to create a new folder. Yes, but let me continue with the default, then as a recommendation. Yes, then this is the warning. This is the warning. Network interface. Installing the Oracle VirtualBox 7.1.10 networking features will reset your network connection and temporarily disconnect you from the network. Proceed with installation now. Means that if there is an action you are working on it that needs an internet connection, you need to disconnect or wait until and then start your installation. So you come here on yes, then click on yes. After click on yes, this is the missing dependencies, Python core and Win32 API. Here they tell you that those package will be installed before. Then you click on yes. After click on yes, basically you should create a shortcut, create and what. Then you click on next. After click on next, click on install. After click on install, then you wait the starting to your installation. Wow, this can take a small time, can take a few minutes, and moments cannot take a long time. It depends on your computer capacity and your processor, your processor speed, your RAM, and your hardware. Means the hardware components you have can be they affect your installation speed. Yes, you see here shortcut already created. This is a shortcut, and here we are waiting to install it, and it is registering, starting network filter, installing many features, and wait until the end. Wow, you see that our Oracle VirtualBox have been installed. Installation is complete. Click the finish button there to exit the setup wizard. And the start you should do, or if you want to also to automatically start it, you should click on check it and then click on finish. After click on finish, we now get the prompt that by launching our Oracle. Yes, this is Oracle VirtualBox. Now this is the VirtualBox have been installed. So the next time I will show you how to create a virtual machine in your installed VirtualBox. Yes, this is a software, virtualization software. Here could do create virtual machine. Here could export your virtual machine, import the already created virtual machine from another PC, and I will explain more and show you the more practical about the virtual machine, VirtualBox. I'm sorry. So if this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And remember, turn on notification bell for stay connected with us. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless you.